Hi everyone, Tabitha here. Today I wanted to share with you some shoes I created. This video isn't necessarily a tutorial, but I wanted to share some tips and tricks on how I created my own pair in hopes of you creating your own. When looking for inspiration for espadrilles, I noticed the high price tags at many of the online retail shops. I knew that I could create my own custom pair at a fraction of the cost with my brother's Stylin sewing machine. I purchased an espadrille shoe kit online as well as a really cute macabre bird embroidery file. Embroidery files are so easy to come by online, so finding one of your liking will be a breeze. When choosing your embroidery file, make sure that it's the proper dimensions for the front side of your shoes. My brother Stylin makes it extremely easy to transfer a file that I purchased online to the heavyweight canvas fabric that I selected for this project. From there, I hand-stitched gold beads around my embroidery. If you choose to hand-stitch beading onto your shoes, I would highly recommend that you do it prior to sewing the second layer. That way, the inside of your shoes will have a nice, clean finish. Also, make sure that each bead is double stitched to make sure that your beads don't come loose when you're wearing them. Okay, so I have a wide foot. If you have a wide foot like me, the seam allowance that's required for this shoe may not work, and that's okay. I'd recommend a 1/8 inch seam allowance. That way your foot is able to slide in and out of your shoes comfortably. Stitching the fabric to the soles of your shoes can be a bit painful. Some kits actually provide the thimbles for your forefinger and thumb just to alleviate some of the pain. If your kit doesn't provide the thimbles, I would highly recommend that you purchase them. Needle nose pliers were also a huge help because let me tell you, hand sewing shoes can make your fingers a bit sore. You guys, I never thought that I'd be able to say this, but I made a pair of shoes. And guess what? You can too. Visit the Stitching Social blog for more photos as well as a list of tips and tricks I shared in this video. See you there. Bye.